I got to tell you, I've been here like a month.
A month, yeah.
I think the Gong...
Welcome, by the way.
Thank you.
It's nice having you here.
A great month. The Gong integration was announced my first week,
Yeah, that's
like
right.
day 3.
Yeah.
You really undersold that one. Like we have been underselling that one for the last 3.5 weeks.
That's fair.
Yeah.
Speak your mind, really. Don't hold back.
Well, I'm not. This is what I'm here for. This is what I'm supposed to be doing. Like, hello, the people need to know. The whole Gong workspace for whatever company you're at, if you're connected today, it's all in there, right?
You're right. The AI Gong thing is like admin, one click. Everything historical and on a move forward basis goes into the customer memory layer, and it's all there. The companies, the contacts, everything.
It also is amazing because if I'm a founder, and I'm the only one using Day, I have full access to everything. If I'm a sales leader and I'm the only one, or me and my founder are the only ones using Day, we're kind of just testing it out, we're figuring out what's going on, fully get an understanding, and then bring our whole teams in. Like, it's an incredible entry point also into the Day product to just come right in with everything you've got.
With everything, yeah.
It's like huge.
Yeah, it's a good point. I mean, if you're just trying to like kick the tires and see what's going on, that's an insane way to do it. You're totally right, because it all goes in, and then you could start asking it insane stuff. You could say, what's different between the P Club reps and the new reps we hired in May or whatever? Like, how long do people actually ramp? You know, what are the people on the West Coast saying on calls that's working that the East Coast people we just hired should start copying? Like, and it will just smoke. It will just give it to you.
When you have Gong plugged in, it's like, oh, it's all right there. The data that's supplying it, literally a snap of a finger. You don't even have to have used it. You just have to have plugged it in.
It's like an absurd first user
An
experience of
absurd
a product. I remember there was a beat. There was like a couple hours where we're looking at it all in production. The first customers go on it, and we're like, "Man, that's really good."
Yeah,
because it's like first time using it, and you're asking these whatever you want, and it's coming back, and it has. We pull all the video in natively and everything, so you have citations, and you can see the moment in that call 2 years ago that is being referenced, you know, in the thing, and it's like. But you're probably seeing this, like our culture, we're very much, okay, back to work, you know? And we immediately turn to Granola, which is a similar thing where you can do an MCP thing and ask your agent to rummage around the attic, you know, step by step. And we're looking at it and we're like, okay, we built these native bindings to be able to take meeting data from other systems and lay it into the customer, you know, memory perfectly and do it super, super fast. Let's do Granola. So then we were like immediately onto the Granola thing. We started onboarding people on Gong. Then we knocked the Granola thing out, and it's to your point again, it applies there because everybody's using Granola. Granola is a super cool product. And now people have this enterprise integration and pull all of the team's notes that they've shared. Mm-hmm. And they just go boop, right over, and they attach to the people, the companies, the opportunities, all lays in customer memory perfectly. And so now if it's anywhere in the customer's Granola, now it's immediately accessible to the agent too.
Does anybody know that Granola exists? Do you think maybe they should?
We haven't done, listen.
What if we told the people that Granola exists?
Do you think we should launch it? Tell the world about it?
No time like the present.
Well, we're on to the next thing. You know what I mean?
On to the next thing, but perhaps first we, tell people what we're building. We are building really cool stuff.
Very strong points. Yeah, we got to get better at that. But can we talk about how sick the Granola thing is? Like, from a product perspective, it's just unbelievably cool.
Yeah.
It just, boop, layers in and has that same day zero.
I mean, those two together, unstoppable.
It's a good point. It's a lot of Gong customers, I think, also use Granola for certain situations, in-person stuff or whatever it may be. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm glad that a month in, you are obviously, you have the psychological safety here to give your honest opinion about our product launch.
I thought you should know.
investment.
I
All right, we'll do
appreciate
better.
you letting me share.
But check out granola. Check out Gong if you haven't yet. For real. She's right. It's sick.